it's late and I'm here with another video. As you can tell by the title, y'all already know what's going on in today's video. Sorry I'm coming on camera looking a mess, y'all. I just took a good shower because I was working, so now it's time to get to doing what I'm doing. So if y'all see me looking down, it's only because all my stuff is literally down, but the camera is right here. But I'm going to be talking as I do my hair for now. So I'm just going to do an introduction, then I'm gonna play some music for y'all. DJ gonna run it back. But pretty much, y'all, as you can tell by the title, yes, online classes is finally coming after, I don't know how long I've been talking about this. Online classes, I don't know why I'm trying to use this thing. Online classes is finally coming, y'all. Like finally, as in I'm filming tomorrow. So as I'm filming this video, I'm going to be filming my online classes tomorrow. So I have a makeup appointment at 9 o'clock, so that's why I'm doing my hair tonight, because I'm not going to be up too early trying to do my hair the day of and then makeup done. Like, no, I'm not going to stress myself out. So I'm going to go ahead and do my hair tonight. I am going to do the do all the styling and stuff tomorrow morning before I go to my makeup appointment. That way, once I leave my makeup, I can go straight to my suite and get everything set up for the person that's going to be recording to come over to my suite, because I am doing it, you know, at my suite because it's easier. That way I don't have to bring all my stuff out my suite. So yeah, so online classes is finally here, y'all. Y'all have asked and asked, and I'm giving. So I'm so excited. As y'all already know, I already started back doing my in-person classes. I want to say I started back November, December. So online is definitely something that I wanted to do, because I know COVID is real, and besides COVID, not everybody can afford, or not even afford, but just, you know, able to fly out at any given point to come take a class with me, because I am in Houston now. But even though I'm in the States, so I'm closer, depending on where you're flying from, tickets to Houston is cheap because Houston is a popular state, well, city. So it's not, I mean, depending on when you're trying to come out here, flights are really not that expensive. But again, coming from somebody that already stay here, I ain't gotta travel nowhere. But long story short, y'all, online classes is officially coming, y'all. Officially coming. I'm so excited. I'm nervous for tomorrow, even though it's just like teaching a regular class. It's just behind a camera, so I'm trying to make sure that I have everything together, everything set up, because I am going to be doing both a closure and a frontal unit. That way both is online. And then as far as my prices and stuff, I will have all that posted after I film, because I don't want to be announcing and confirming any dates until I have everything filmed, even though I have a date on when it's going to be released. Well, when I want it to be released, it just depends on how quick the guy can edit my video and stuff like that, and have it set to the segments and stuff how I want it to be set. So I'm aiming for April 1st, because that should be a good amount of time. But I don't want to be, you know, saying, oh, guarantee April 1st, I mean March 1st, and it's still not, you know, it's not ready. So I don't want to confirm anything. Don't beat me up. I'm aiming for March 1st, but in case something happened, y'all, you know. But I will be posting everything on my Instagram page as far as the date that the classes and stuff will be available. So if you don't follow me on Instagram already, be sure to go follow me on my Instagram page. Therefore, if you're interested, you can definitely get all the details, because that's exactly what I'm going to post everything out on Instagram, because that's where I'm active at the most. So yeah, I don't want to run my mouth too much, because this video may be a little, you know, lengthy already, because I'm going to be doing my whole head. But yeah, I just want to do a quick introduction. As y'all can see, I'm doing a frontal because I'm doing a full ball cap. The hair that I'm going to be using in this video is not released on my website, because I don't want a lot of, like, I just was like, I don't want a lot of different hair, like different grades of hair on my website. Like, I don't want to be that person that sells too much shit excuse my language, and don't know how to handle it. So the hair that I am going to be installing, it is raw Cambodian hair, the Cambodian wavy, and the hair is really nice. It's really full, and it's just the same as like the Indonesian, y'all. It's just like the same grade, but this hair is really full. So like even with the Burmese curly, depending on what lengths you get, girl, you get 2 lengths and you're gonna have a full wig because it's just really thick hair. So I'm gonna show you guys the wig before I shut up, because I am gonna play some music, because this is gonna be a little process or whatever, and I'm gonna be using a blow dryer and stuff, so I don't want all that noise in the video. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you the wig while this glue is drying. So this is the hair right here, Cambodian wavy. This is the natural state of it. I don't remember the lengths, y'all. I do not. And this is the frontal. Don't mind the holes on the frontal because the lace is so thin. Oh my god, when I was plucking, I made a couple holes in it, but we still gotta make this do what it do, okay? So this is my wig, and like it's for a customer. If it was for a customer, of course I would, you know, do another frontal at my expense because it's my mess up. But 13x4 frontal, all their lace is HD lace, so that's a good thing. But the lace is like really stretchy, so it's really thin. The holes, y'all probably can't even see it on camera, but it's like a few right here and right here, not that big of a deal. And then of course y'all know construction on me, Laydolls collection of course, and the hair is really full. This is 3 bundles. I don't know the lengths again, but yeah, I'm gonna start running my mouth. I'm going to get into this install because I want to get in bed kind of early tonight, because I have to be up early because my makeup appointment is at 9 o'clock in the morning, but I have to drive to the Galleria area. So if you're in Houston and you know Houston, I stay on the north side, so the Galleria is maybe like 30-45 minutes depending on how deep in the Galleria she is. When I GPS her address, it said 45 minutes, so I'm gonna have to be up. If I gotta be there at 9, I gotta drive 45 minutes. I need to be out the house at least by 8 o'clock, and then I need to be up to still get dressed and curl my hair and stuff before I leave, because I want my hair to be curled. That way I don't have to worry about doing it, like trying to come back home, curl my hair, then go and film. Like, no, I'm gonna wake up, take my bath, I'm gonna clean my face and stuff before I get this makeup. I'm going to curl my hair and then I'm gonna leave. So yeah, I'm about to play some music and y'all gonna see me finish this install. So DJ, run that back.
Jumping, bumping, every punk I'm in this day I'm late. Throwing the balls, I'm back, these holders Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question, tell me how you feel about this. Try to control me, boy, you get dismissed. Pay my own car note and I pay my own bills. Always 50-50 in relationships. The shoes on my feet, I bought it. The clothes I'm wearing, I bought it. The rock I'm rocking, I bought it. 'Cause I depend on me if I want it. The watch I'm wearing, I bought it. The house I live in, I bought it. The car I'm driving, I bought it. I depend on me, I depend on me. All the women with business, all your hands in the all the money to make you money. All your hands in the all the mamas to rock the island. All your hands in the all the ladies truly commit. All your hands in the you could get down like that. Charlie, how your angels get down like that. Girl, I didn't know you could get down like that. Charlie, how your angels get down like that. Tell me how you feel about this. When I do what I want, live how I want to live. I work hard and sacrifice to get what I get. Ladies, it ain't easy being independent. Question, how'd you like this talent that I brought? Bragging on that cash that he gave you is a front. If you're gonna brag, make sure it's your money you fund. And don't no one else to give you what